This is the final video to fix AtlasOS Playbook getting stuck at reticulating splines. Are you also facing this problem where the installation or setup freezes and won't move past reticulating splines? I was also facing the same issue, and it was really frustrating. My system wouldn't finish installing, and I didn't know how to fix it. I searched online and saw many solutions on YouTube and Facebook, but most of them were too complicated. They involved editing system files, running multiple commands, or changing advanced settings that were hard to follow. I wasted a lot of time trying those methods, and some didn't even work. After experimenting myself, I finally discovered a secret, simple trick that actually works. Using this trick, I was able to get AtlasOS Playbook past the reticulating splines stage quickly and safely. You don't need to be a tech expert, and it works every time without causing errors. My installation finished normally, and everything worked perfectly. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how I do it, comment down below. Follow Rexish because this trick really helped me fix AtlasOS Playbook stuck at reticulating splines easily, and it can help you too.